In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click country, and you could click whatever country you like. But for now, I'm going to use Uganda. The easiest way to find Uganda is for you to click the search and type Uganda. Under Uganda, you should see payment method. Click payment method and look for bank transfer. Cash. So then it should pop up. We found 3 Bitcoin exchanges in Uganda that accepts cash. The companies that accepts cash in Uganda is Local Bitcoins, Bitcoin ATMs, and Muslim Local Trader. For Local Bitcoins, you can click the blue button to review or click the green button to buy Bitcoin. For Bitcoin ATMs, you can click the green button to buy Bitcoin, and that's the same as Muslim Local Trader. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information about Bitcoin, you can scroll down to view the blog in the description. Or you could go to the We Use Coins to find more information about Bitcoin. And I'll see you on my next video.